Yo, what is going on YouTube? Back again. It's the Braap man. Today we have a marvelous 1999 Yamaha Warrior 350. They made this bike from 1987 through 2004. Then it was discontinued. This was Yamaha's big bore 350. It was a really nice air-cooled 4-stroke quad. And I'm very happy to talk about this today because it's in really good condition, one owner, and I think I'm going to keep this for a little while and ride it myself because it's just you don't see them like this anymore, you know. And it's just really cool. It is electric start 350, and I believe that this engine is not oil cooled. I don't think it has an oil cooler. It's just air cooled. I don't see an external oil cooler like the 400EX Honda. The 400EX has an external little small oil cooler. I don't think this has that. But anyway, it is a really fine example of an all original Warrior. Still has the original stickers on here. The paint on the plastics are really nice. It was garage kept, obviously. It's got the nice dual headlights, which Yamaha kind of did back in the 87, like when they first started the Banshee. This and the Banshee first hit the scene at the same time, and they always had the dual front headlights, which is really cool. But what I really want to talk about on this is the exhaust. It has the old school DG exhaust, and it still has the baffles in there, but it's still loud even with the baffles. It just has a really nice grunt. And check out the chrome. Just needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but this quad's actually dirty, believe it or not. I'm not even lying, it's actually dirty. I have not cleaned it, and I can only imagine what this would look like cleaned up, but it looks so good. And I just can't believe the wheels. The condition of the wheels are really in decent shape. Normally on these ATVs, they're, you know, bashed up pretty bad, but these wheels are in great condition. Guy had put newer tires on it. Got plenty of knobby left. Lots of knobbies left on the tire. But I mean, I just can't believe the condition of this beast. It's unbelievable. That DG exhaust is wicked. It just looks so cool. I love old school stuff. And this is a 1999, which is in great shape for 99. Disc brakes front, disc brakes in the rear. I was thinking do little minor things to it. I was gonna do wheel spacers and then a front bumper, like a tusk front bumper, just to pretty it up a little bit, and maybe swap these out for the LED ones, just to give it a little updating. So I was thinking about keeping it and riding it around for a little bit, but I got too many toys, so I don't know. It's getting a little ridiculous now with all the collections, the collection of all my stuff. Anyway, let's get back to the quad. This is Yamaha's big bore, like I was saying. It's a 350 4-cycle, single carburetor, electric start with reverse. It does have reverse, and you just pull. You have to be in neutral, and then you pull the clutch in, and then you can activate the reverse. You just pull it back that way, reverse, and then put this back forward to turn it off. But the crankcase on this beast is huge. It's got a big bottom end on that thing, man. It's pretty crazy. But this thing's a torque monster. It always was and always will be. And it had a run from 87 to 2004. I don't know why they discontinued it. It was such a reliable, motor. But times change. So, we can do a cold start on this thing too. It's just really cool to see this quad in this condition. I couldn't get over it. It's just I feel like a little kid in a candy store to see a 99 Warrior this clean. Very well kept. Original owner changed the oil on it, and he took it into the Yamaha dealer for servicing, and it just looks really good. I love that exhaust. That's what he did. He put the exhaust on there. It's mostly stock for the exhaust, and the carburetor was jetted. But other than that, that's about it. No thrills. What you see is what you get. It's just really cool to see in this condition. And we'll do a cold start. Fire it up. Started right up. Sounds good. Motor's nice and quiet. Very quiet at idle, but she growls like a lion when you hit the throttle. So good. Don't want to rev it too much because the neighbors get pissed off. But yeah. So quick walk around at this beast, and I can't really think of anything else too much to say about it. I'm just gonna do some small touch-ups to it, clean up some of the Nerf bars. I guess these are a factory Nerf bars. I want to do a little touch up on it, make it look a little bit nicer. But other than that, I'm just gonna keep it and ride it. I think I'm gonna hold on to this, man, because you don't see too many one owner Warriors, man. They're really cool. I love the 4-stroke. Just gas and go, you know, and it's very torquey. It's not the fastest quad in the world, but I'm telling you, man, it's all about smiles. You know what I mean? Smiles, baby. If you got a smile on your face, it's all that matters, no matter how fast it is. So that's how I see things. But I'm an old school type person. I like old school bikes, you know. But check out my other videos. I got a lot of other videos posted. Enduro bikes, KDX, my KX 500. You can check out that bike. And I'm gonna be back with some more riding videos. I'm going to do some riding videos on this, and I think my plans are I want to put the spacers, extend the wheel out a little bit more on the end. So we'll do some wheel spacers, and then we'll do a front bumper, like a Tusk front bumper. I think we'll do that, and then maybe some fancy front shocks. Maybe, I don't know if I want to go crazy with it, but just trying to keep it simple. You know what I mean? So yeah, man, here she is, the Yamaha 350 in all its glory. I would highly recommend this bike. The Braap man recommends this bike. So if you want like a first ATV, this would be a fun ATV for a first. Well, if you're used to the clutch, I would recommend it, but if you're not new to the clutch, then I wouldn't. So I would highly recommend this ATV all around. If you know how to use a clutch, then I would go for it. It's powerful, but yet you can control it. It's not like it's not wicked like a 350 Banshee, but like I said, it's all about having fun. So this thing definitely rips, man. Don't get it twisted. The Warrior definitely gets out, man. And for anyone that has this ATV, they know. Definitely ride some wheelies, man. Yeah. So like and subscribe, and I'll be back with some more videos. I've been crazy busy, so my schedule wouldn't let me put more videos up at a certain time, but I'm trying my best. So if I can get a film person to chase me around, that'd be cool too. But we're not at that point yet. I don't have anything fancy going on with a camera crew chasing me around. So like and subscribe. I'll be back soon. Peace and hair grease. And yeah, check out my other videos. See you guys. Be safe. See you. Yamaha. Oh yeah. See ya.